Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a battery on a Dodge Durango. First, gather your essential tools such as a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential battery acid. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your vehicle's battery. It's often under the passenger seat or beneath the hood. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, being careful not to let the wrench touch any metal. Finally, remove any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the clean tray, making sure it fits snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring a secure and stable connection. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to ensure they are tight and completely secure. Then, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and everything powers up as expected. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center. Never just throw it away. For extended longevity, consider applying anti-corrosion grease to the terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.